Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to track your orders in Temu application. So first of all, open your Temu application. Here on the bottom, click on this profile icon. Here you'll be able to see your orders selected. So this is the section where you'll be able to track your orders. Since I have not placed any orders, it's empty, but the orders that you do in Temu application will be shown here. There are options: processing, shipped, delivered, and returns. So this is the section where you can track your order and know where your order is. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps you.